Hola chicos, hoy es el 12 de mayo. Empezamos capítulo 7. We're starting chapter 7 today. Capítulo 7 se llama La ropa y los números. We're going to start with clothing and numbers in chapter 7. We only have a few sessions left, so we are going to more or less combine the most important pieces of chapters 7a and 7b. Empezamos con la ropa. We're going to start with the clothing today. If you look at this page from the textbook, it starts by saying, necesito ropa nueva para la fiesta. Voy a buscar aquí en esta tienda de ropa en línea. Quizás tienen ropa bonita. I need new clothes for the party. I am going to look for them here in this clothing store online. Maybe they have nice clothes, pretty clothes, bonita. You'll notice en línea, online. At this point in time, I think most of us are doing our shopping that way. So that's probably helpful to know. And then you have the different items of clothing. So I'm going to read through them for pronunciation. It would be best if you repeat after me. These same words are in Quizlet in your vocab link. El traje, that's the entire suit. La camisa, a camisa refers to a shirt with a collar, typically. La chaqueta, los pantalones, los zapatos, y los calcetines. El abrigo, los jeans, el traje de baño, el suéter, la sudadera, la falda, la blusa, la gorra, la camiseta, los pantalones cortos. So those are just a few of the clothing items. You also have some accessories listed in your Quizlet. Let's take a look at the conversation between Juani and Antonio. Buenas tardes, soy Juani, la dependienta. ¿En qué puedo servirle? The clerk, or employee. ¿En qué puedo servirle? How may I help you? Busco unos jeans y una camisa. I am looking for some jeans and a t-shirt. ¿Prefiere usted ropa deportiva o elegante? Do you prefer sporty clothes or elegant? Notice the use of usted. This is a formal conversation. They do not know each other. Pienso comprar ropa para una fiesta. I'm thinking about, or I intend to buy, clothing for a party. Entonces, ¿no quiere unos pantalones? Son más elegantes. Then don't you want pants? They're more elegant. Sí, me encantan los pantalones, pero también necesito jeans. Mejor compro los dos. ¿Cuánto cuestan? Notice the use here of me encantan. Los pantalones is plural. We'll look at this again in a few minutes. So me encantan is correct, whereas me encanta would be used if it was one thing that he would like. Me encanta la camisa. Okay, one item, encanta. More than one item, los pantalones, are a plural word, me encantan. At the end of this, he says, mejor compro los dos. Better yet, I'll buy the two. ¿Cuánto cuestan? How much do they cost? And that's where we get into numbers. Let's take a look. To answer the question, ¿cuánto cuesta? Or ¿cuánto cuestan? More than one item. We need to review numbers. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Cuesta comes from the verb costar, to cost. It is a stem change verb. You looked at some of those last week, O to UE. Hence, cuesta for one item, cuestan for more than one item. If we're looking at this camisa in the photo, you'll notice that the prices are given in pesos. Pesos is Mexican currency, so 100 Mexican pesos is about $4. So that helps put this in perspective. The euro is the currency in Spain. 1 euro is roughly $1 American dollar. You'll notice the prices here are all large numbers. Earlier this year, you learned numbers 1 through 100. If you need review, you can go back into the Quizlet link and take a look. All of the numbers are listed there, in addition to the new ones that are here in the chart, starting with 200. So for numbers 1 through 100, what we would typically do is take the number such as 10 and add the number 6, and we would use 10 y 6. You did the same thing for any of the tens. 27 would be 20 y siete. 51, 51, and so on. Now with the hundreds, you put the number in front of the word hundred. So here you'll see ciento was 100, so we say dos cientos, tres cientos, cuatro cientos. 500 changes a little bit. Quinientos, seis cientos, siete cientos, ocho cientos, nove cientos, mil. Mil is 1,000. Okay, and one more time, those are in the Quizlet link if you need a little bit of review. Let's take a look at one more conversation between Lisa and Marcela, two friends who want to go shopping. Marcela, ¿quieres ir de compras? Do you want to go shopping? Sí, hace frío y necesito un abrigo o una chaqueta. You'll see the word necesito from necesitar used quite a bit when we're talking about clothing, things that we need. En Abrigos Mil tienen abrigos a buen precio y de todos los colores. In the store, Abrigos Mil, they have coats at a good price and many colors. Esa tienda es muy cara. That store is very expensive. También quiero un vestido nuevo. I also want a new dress. We also see the verb quiero from querer often when talking about clothes. And we'll look at verbs more in the next unit. Lisa responds, no, te queda perfecto. It fits you perfectly. ¿Quieres comprar unas botas? Do you want to buy some boots? ¿Te gustan estas botas negras aquí o esos zapatos rojos allí? Do you like these black boots here or do you prefer those red shoes over there? Again, you see the verb quieres as well here as the te gustan. We'll look at those in just a second. Me gustan las botas y los zapatos, pero cuestan mucho dinero. I like both, the boots and the shoes, but they cost a lot of money. Al lado de mi casa hay una tienda donde los zapatos no cuestan tanto. Near my house, there is a store where the shoes don't cost so much. Genial, great. ¿Cuándo vamos? When are we going? Okay, so if we look at this conversation, again, we see some verbs that we will often see with shopping. Necesito, quiero. In the previous photos, we saw the verb busco from buscar to say that we are looking for an item. And then we also have the te gustan, me gustan, as well as the te encantan, me encantan. Do you love something? Me encantan, I love it. A lot of these verbs you've had in the past, right, and are very helpful when we're referring to shopping. And again, we're going to look at the verbs more in our next session. So for now, if you just review those one more time in the dialogue to make sure that you understand them. The new verb for today is llevar, to bring, to carry, or to wear. This verb, obviously, if we're talking about clothing, is important to talk about what we are wearing. Llevar is a regular AR verb, so it's very easy to conjugate. You drop the AR, and you use the AR verb endings. Again, there's no surprises in this verb. So for the yo form, llevo, llevas, lleva, llevamos, and llevan. Again, the double L sounds like a y sound in Spanish. Llevo, llevas, lleva, llevamos, llevan. To wear. If you were asked the question, ¿qué llevas a Canisius?, we would respond with yo llevo, and then the items that you wear. So for example, yo llevo unos pantalones, una camisa, y una corbata. Okay, and then same thing with the other questions. ¿Qué llevas a la iglesia? What do you wear to church? ¿Qué llevas en el verano? What do you wear in the summer? Okay, so we can ask ¿qué llevas about anything? ¿Qué llevas al gimnasio? ¿Qué llevas a la fiesta? ¿Qué llevas cuando hace frío? Okay, what do you wear when it's cold? So there's a lot of different options with llevar. All right, guys, so make sure you take the appropriate notes in your notebook Any vocab that I ran through today that you find to be difficult, whether it is a clothing item or maybe the numbers, take a few minutes and write those words 3 times each in your notes. It really will help you remember them. I suggest you do this and then complete your worksheet that you have here in the folder. And at the end of today's session, take the quiz. That way you'll have been exposed to the vocab for a number of times before you try the quiz. Okay, good luck and hasta viernes.